Hello, good afternoon. My name is Chesigan Nadarajan, a co-founder of Rajatwika, which is a non-profit organization that promotes the education and training of women. We believe that education and training would empower women, which would help them to live self-sustainable and independent lives. This afternoon, I would like to talk on the topic of justice, is it for all persons? I believe very strongly that justice should be for all persons. It should be applied evenly for all persons. In the event that justice is not applied evenly, it would lead to many problems. The first thing it would do is it would create a category of people who are above the law and another category of people who will be below the law. The ones who are above the law would enjoy impunity and they would exploit the ones who are below the law. When this happens, there will not be any justness, and without justness, there will be no justice. For justice without justness is injustice. So in order to be in reality, for justice to be efficient and just, it must be without exception and it must be applied equally. I'm reminded about the lawsuit of George Padilla against the Pentagon. Now, the American authorities have accused George Padilla of being a terrorist, while George Padilla has the allegation that the American authorities tortured him while he was under incarceration. Now, this is a serious allegation. Since George Padilla is a convicted terrorist, it is more needful that a thorough investigation should be conducted to verify the truth of his allegation. Why is this necessary? If the allegation of George Padilla is brushed aside because he is a convicted terrorist, then this would lead to the justification by all known terrorists in this world that since the authorities themselves who are concerned with justice do not practice justice, why should they? So when it comes to pointing fingers at known terrorists in this world, that they do not follow the rule of the law, they do not practice justice, they would in turn point back and say, who are these persons to talk about justice when they themselves don't practice justice? Thus, in order to differentiate between those who live by the rule of the law and those who don't, it is necessary, it is compulsory, it is imperative that we should practice justice for all persons, even those who are convicted of terrorism. As such, I would like to call upon all those who are listening to this talk that we should support the principle of justice without exceptions, and justice that is practiced equally, that no one is above the law and no one is below the law, that everyone is equal before the law, and that justice will be applied equally for all persons. Only in this manner shall we be able to defeat those who do not live by the rule of the law, those who take the law into their own hands, and those who cause terror among the general public. And only then can we say that we are different from them, that we live by the rule of the law, and that we believe in justice, and we believe that justice is without exceptions. Thank you.